In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook templates for faster replies. If you find yourself typing the same short responses over and over, this is a simple way to save time without installing anything extra. We're going to use the built-in My Templates pane to create a reusable snippet, then drop it into a reply with a single click. Start by opening a new email or replying to a message. This matters because the options we need only appear while you're composing. With the message window open, look along the ribbon at the top and make sure you're on the Message tab. In the Add-in section of that tab, click My Templates. A panel will slide out on the side of your message. This is where your quick replies live. To create a new one, click the plus sign labeled Template. You'll see two fields. In the title box, give your template a short, clear name you'll recognize at a glance, like Meeting Confirmed or Thanks for Reaching Out. Keep titles specific so you can spot the right one quickly later. In the body area, type the text you want to reuse. You can include a friendly greeting, a concise answer, and any lines you find yourself repeating. Feel free to add placeholders you'll personalize each time, like brackets for a date or a first name, and avoid putting sensitive details in the template itself. Simple formatting is supported, and you can still tweak anything after you insert it. When you're happy, click Save